This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Bentley Bentayga. First, take a moment to appreciate the exquisite craftsmanship and advanced technology within the cabin. Adjust your seat and mirrors to achieve a perfect driving position, ensuring clear visibility all around. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive infotainment system and the array of controls at your fingertips. The Bentayga offers several driving modes, allowing you to tailor the experience to your preferences and the road ahead, from comfort to sport. To begin your journey, simply press the elegant engine start/stop button, which brings the powerful engine to life with a refined growl. With your foot on the brake, select drive using the gear selector, positioned conveniently behind the steering wheel. Release the electronic parking brake, and then gently apply pressure to the accelerator pedal. The Bentayga's smooth power delivery ensures a graceful and controlled departure, making every drive a truly effortless experience. The Bentayga is equipped with a suite of advanced driving features designed to enhance your journey. Engage the adaptive cruise control for a more relaxed highway experience, maintaining a safe distance from vehicles ahead. For adventurous spirits, explore the 4 dedicated off-road settings, which optimize the vehicle's performance across various challenging terrains. You can also adjust the sophisticated air suspension, allowing you to raise or lower the ride height for improved ground clearance or enhanced aerodynamics. Parking the Bentayga is made simple with its comprehensive surround view camera system, providing a clear 360-degree view of your surroundings. Always choose a parking spot that offers ample space, considering the vehicle's generous dimensions. Once you have safely parked, engage the electronic parking brake. Finally, press the engine start/stop button again to gracefully power down the vehicle, completing your luxurious driving experience until your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.